Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Hailuo AI step by step, so even if you're a complete beginner, you can start creating amazing AI videos quickly and easily. First, open the Hailuo AI website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the video creation option. Hailuo AI allows you to create videos using text prompts or images, depending on the feature you want to use. For text to video, simply describe the video you want to create. Try to be specific. For example, instead of writing a man walking, you can write a young man walking through a busy city street at night, cinematic lighting, realistic motion. Smooth camera movement. The more clear and detailed your prompt is, the better your result can be. If you want to use image to video, upload your image first, then describe how you want the subject or scene to move. You can mention movements such as walking, turning, smiling, wind blowing, camera zooming, or cinematic camera motion. After writing your prompt or uploading your image, review the available settings and choose the options you prefer. Then click the Generate button and wait for Hailuo AI to create your video. Once the generation is complete, preview the result carefully. If you don't like the first result, don't worry. You can improve your prompt by adding more details about the subject, action, environment, lighting, style, and camera movement, then generate again. When you're happy with your video, save or download it using the available